All right, everybody, welcome back. Today I'm talking about doing solo ads for affiliate marketing. In today's world, as you know, if you're any part of the online marketing world, you know how Google is being these days, manual actions towards websites and among other things. But this is not what this video is about. So I'm going to show you today how I'm doing solo ads for affiliate marketing, online marketing, just to get more leads into the business. So at this point, what I want to show you is I'm using a free service from LeadsLeap. Gives you the option to make landing pages, have your own email marketing service, your own list builder, list manager, whatever you want to call it. So this is the easiest way to get started unless you have some type of landing page builder from on your website, or you're using an independent or third-party landing page provider. So this is how I've been doing it for almost 8 years now. So I would highly recommend you get into LeadsLeap for free, and then you'll have the chance to come down here, use their page builder to build a page maybe similar to this one. So I made this one quite some time ago. It's a good landing page and converts pretty well for me. So I just wanted to use this as an example for you today. And after this page is built, based on the offer that you're trying to sell, trying to get to convert and get some leads, and maybe make a sale when you do your follow-ups and stuff like that. So that's what we're trying to do here, instead of relying on good old search engines to get your visitors or get your opt-ins, whatever you want to call it. So at this point, this will be pretty short, pretty basic, but this is how I've been doing it. So let's move on. Now, what I recommend, there's only 2 recommendations that I have as far as where you want to do your solo ads from, or where you want to start is either Facebook. You can do solo ads testimonials. There's a few good vendors there that you can use, but I recommend what I'm going to show you here. I recommend, of course, udemy.com. I've been using them for so long. It's easy to do so many things within here. You can do landing pages now as of recent that I found out, but I like to do my landing pages, of course, like I said, here through LeadsLeap. It's so easy to make these pages, and it's free of charge. So you can get a lifetime membership. I will go ahead and probably leave that link if you wish, and it's free, like I said previously. But let's take a look at Udemy so I can show you what vendors that I've been dealing with and how to choose a good vendor. Okay, so here we are. I'm in my Udemy account, and as you see, this is right off the Buy Solos tab. And typically, the person that would use is Maurizio Pace. At that point, he's done or has 3,458 reviews. They say that 66% are sales, and right now he's charging 59 cents, which is up a little bit from when the last time I used him, which was, as you can see, quite some time ago. But that's what that all is right there. How much money you're going to pay per click, what the sales percentage is, and their positive or not so positive reviews. So let's move over to the solo deals. I have that open in a different tab. So right now I've also used Jason Thompson from the UK. Here we have 24% are repeat customers, which is pretty decent. There are others, that have higher percentage than that. Excuse me. Let's also move forward here real quick. 59% say that they had sales, or the buyer reports sales, and almost 4,000. So as you're in Udemy here, you have the option of getting basically up to 1,000 clicks, but I would start, he's at 42 cents right now, and you can start off with 100 clicks. This is the swipe that I provided previously, and my total would be 45 for 100 clicks. And you're going to have to go through and test all this. It doesn't take too long. I usually do two times of 100 clicks, obviously 200 clicks total on each landing page that I'm trying to test. And I might even use someone else to test that out, or a different vendor. But it's easy to choose, and the biggest reason why I recommend this particular site, Udemy, is because they have a system where they can filter their clicks. Filtering the clicks, nobody else does it, nobody else can do it. They have a specific system that they use to filter, and it makes sure that you're not getting garbage traffic. So let's move on. The other one I would recommend is, what is this? Stefan Lindblom. I've used him previously, as you would know. And I also like to look at, this is their feedback, or each vendor's feedback. And as of recent, here's the 21st. Let's move all the way up. Okay, so the last one he had was 24, 100 visitors. And when they show got sales here, so Melissa Beals on March the 12th, she had sales, and she actually got 525 clicks out of the 500 visitors that she ordered. So there's 5% over that they delivered. Let's see some more ratings. Okay, Melissa Beals again. I think that's actually the same one from the 12th. Maybe it was the same one. Okay, some more sales here. Okay, so you're going to have to find, like I said previously, it looks like he hasn't had a lot of sales as of recent, but I know Stefan Lindblom just got back on here, I think about a year ago, because he left for a little while. But long story short, there are sales being made, and fairly recent. I'll take a look at Thompson. And they also show the geography of where your clicks are coming from. That's really good. Telling you 25 filtered clicks here, and the top tier countries 92%, as you can see: US, Canada, Australia, India, South Africa. So this is free to get into. You just have to put a little bit aside to do your testing, but well worth it. Over 100 clicks, you're typically looking anywhere from 20 to about 40, 35 or 40 opt-ins per solo ad run. And as you can see, Jason Thompson has been producing sales for his customers on his solo ads. So he's actually been doing pretty good. Got sales there. Let's see a couple older ratings from maybe early February, no, March. March here, he's got a couple sales. That's the same one. My fault. Scoot down a little bit. Okay, January, a couple sales he has, or yep, couple sales there. All right, guys, so actually 4 or 5 in a row here, actually, in December. I'm kind of surprised for the holiday and whatnot, but you never know what you're going to get with solo ads as far as what time of year you're getting your sales. So affiliate marketing, this is how exactly I've been doing it for years. Like I said previously, this is just a brief overview of what I look for and how I get it done no charge up until the point of running the actual solo ad itself. So thanks for dropping by, guys. Feel free to start using this. It's a better way to get leads and sales than worrying about search engine optimization and things of that nature. That's the way we're headed. Good old 2024. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon.